5 tips for facing your fears and overcoming your anxiety. Welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell button. 5 tips for facing your fears and overcoming your anxiety. If your fears and anxiety are holding you back from living the life you want, you're not alone. More than 40 million adults in the United States suffer from an anxiety disorder. The good news is that there are studies that show by facing your fears you can gain the courage you need to overcome other concerns that you may have. Here are 5 tips for facing your fears and overcoming anxiety. Don't go it alone. When you are facing down your fears, it can be beneficial to have someone along for the journey that can cheer you on. Perhaps you know someone who has the same fear as you that can partner with you so that you can encourage and cheer each other on. Boost your confidence. When you are getting ready to stare down your fear, it can be immensely helpful to remember all of the other courageous things that you've accomplished in your life. Remember how it felt to achieve your goal. Recognizing previous acts of courage can go a long way in helping you face your fears. Acknowledge the fear. Many times our fears are relegated to the back of our minds, unacknowledged and ignored. Even when faced with anxiety, we often choose just to feel the issue, and never really take the time to understand our fear. Start paying attention to how your body feels and acknowledge the sensation as a symptom rather than something more significant. Keep a gratitude journal. There have been many studies over the years on the positive effects of keeping a gratitude journal. These studies suggest that people who practice gratitude had higher levels of positive emotions, a stronger immune system, felt less lonely, and had more happiness in their lives. Rather than focusing on the negative in your life, be thankful for everything that you have. Expose yourself to what you fear. Even though it can be terrifying, if you want to overcome your fears, then you just have to face them. Sit down and define the worst-case scenario of the unknown outcome, and realize that the worst scenario rarely happens. Doing this, you'll start to notice that each time you do the scary thing, it gets a little bit easier. It is possible to face your fears and overcome your anxiety. Facing your fear will lead you to live a better life, free from stress and anxiety. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button.